What's up friends, Amar here, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this free training series where we build an affiliate marketing website from scratch step by step. And the reason why we want to build a niche affiliate marketing website is that one of the best ways to make money online is creating and selling your own digital products. But that is not always easy. It takes a lot of time, work, and skills. So instead, we will use someone else's quality products and sell them as affiliates for more than 50% commission. There are lots of quality and in-demand products that can make us recurring passive income month after month. There is no better way to market and promote these products than having a professional affiliate marketing website plus an email list. And in this first part of the training, we will be picking the right niche for our affiliate marketing website and also setting up the domain name and the hosting. So by the end of this training series, this is what will our affiliate marketing website look like approximately. It's not 100% like this. It will be ready to build us an email list and make us affiliate commissions. So please make sure you watch the entire series to get the most of it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like these tutorials. Of course, your comments or questions are welcome in the comment box below. I will be linking to the other parts of this training series in the description below, and along with all the resources I will be using in these tutorials here. So now let's dive into the first part. So before we start building an affiliate marketing niche website, we need to pick the right niche, a niche that we are passionate about so we don't get tired with time, a niche that is evergreen, that is not a period related or a date or year related, a niche where there is a market, products that are being sold, customers searching for certain products, etc. And of course, you can use some keyword research tools to find keywords and key phrases that are popular online and people are searching for information related to those keywords. I'm not going to go that way. I'm not going to talk about keywords research, but here are some popular niches or markets, if you want, like self-improvement, finance, relationships, health-related, entrepreneurs, and family-oriented niches. So I already did some work and did some research, and the niche or sub-niche I found is viral traffic for affiliate marketing. It has lots of people and lots of products, and I already got a domain name and I called it viraltrafficsnowball.net. So viraltrafficsnowball.net. I made the logo and I gathered some popular keywords about the subject or the niche. I even got a title for the website, a tagline or subheadline. I got a description, some categories, some pages that I will be creating on the website, another description, some bullet points. So I did some preparation work before starting the project. And for the hosting, I'm currently using two providers, which are Bluehost and Green Geeks, and I highly recommend them. They are reliable, fast, have a great customer support and technical support because I already tried them and they are very fast. So they give you a free domain name and multiple SSL certificates for all the other domains that you will purchase later, and you can find links to the latest discounts in the description below. So for this project, I will be using Green Geeks as a hosting provider. They say web hosting that's faster, secure, and eco-friendly. And to be honest, I like this part as well. They use specific ways to be eco-friendly. and it looks like they have some kind of discount right now, as you can see here, $249 per month, including a free domain and free SSL. So please take a look at the link in the description below if this discount is still available for you. And if you click on the get started now, please don't take the light option, because it will allow you to create only one website, so you cannot add another domain name to the same hosting account. But instead, if you take the pro, you will be able to create multiple or unlimited websites, and you can see all the advantages here. So if it was me, I will go with the pro, because I might need to create other websites on the same hosting account. So if you click on get started button, you will have to choose your free domain name. So you just type your domain name here, the one that you want to get for free from them, and then click on the next button to enter your details. But if you already have a domain name, you can put it here and click on the next button. I'm not going to go with the process of registering a new account. I'm sure that you can do that. Just keep your login details in a safe place. You will be using them later. And here is the inside. Once you create your account, this is exactly what you will see on your dashboard. You can start a new website, you can do lots of things, but we will be doing two particular things in this first part of the training series. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that our domain name is pointing to our hosting account. And if you took the free domain from Green Geeks, you don't have anything to do about it. Everything is fine. But if you are like me and you purchase your domain names elsewhere, like in this example on Namecheap, then you need to go to the DNS settings for your domain name, this one here, and then make sure you put the name servers from Green Geeks. You can find this information on cPanel of Green Geeks, and then just come to this section here and put them right here and then confirm. So I already did this. On the other side, you need to go to your dashboard on Green Geeks, click on cPanel here. When you go to dashboard, you click on cPanel and the cPanel will be open, and in this place here you can do lots of things for setting up your website properly. And you want to find the domains section here, and you click on this add-on domain here, where you will be adding the domain name that you bought from Namecheap to your account here, and then your new domain will be pointing to a specific folder on your hosting account, and everything will be ready to set up the website. The second thing that you want to do is create an email address with your new domain name. So always on cPanel, click on the email accounts here, and then what you want to do is click on the button that says create, and then select the right domain name, which is in this case viraltrafficsnowball.net, and here you enter your username. I like to do admin, so the address will be admin@viraltrafficsnowball.net. This is my new email address that I will be using. Like, this is a professional email address. You'll be using it on your autoresponders and multiple other places where you need to show that you are a professional. So then you choose a password here, and then you just click on create to create it. And now you need to create an email forwarder so that any email that you receive on your professional email address will be forwarded to your public email address, like your Gmail account, for example, so you don't have to be on your cPanel to see what you receive. So anyone that sends you an email to admin viraltrafficsnowball.net, it will go also to, it will be forwarded to your Gmail account. And for that, you go to cPanel, and then on the email section you click on forwarders, and then here you click on add forwarder, and then the email address we created was admin, and it was on viraltrafficsnowball.net. So this is the domain, and this is the prefix admin at viraltrafficsnowball.net, and forward email address I want to put one of my Gmail addresses, so anyone that sends an email here, it will be forwarded here, and click add forwarder. So now the email forwarder is done. So anyone who sends here, I will receive the message on my Gmail address. Alright, so now that we have our domain name, our hosting account, and also we created an email forwarder, the next part of this free training will be about installing and setting up WordPress properly on your account. So please make sure you subscribe to receive notifications, and thank you very much again for liking the video and watching it all the way to the end. See you next in the next part. The next step will be installing WordPress, and for this we need to go to the cPanel and search for this one here, WordPress Manager by Softaculos. So you click on this one here, and then you need to provide a few information. So first you need to click on this button here, install. And after that you need to select the domain name for which you want to install the WordPress. So you need to search for the domain name, and this is the one I want, viraltrafficsnowball.net. This is the version of WordPress, and then you scroll a little bit down, and now it asks me for the name of the website and the description or tagline for the website. Remember, in the last video I told you that I prepared a lot of things for the new website. So I have the title here. I'm going to copy it, Control C, and then get back here and paste it right here, Viral Traffic Snowball. I have also a tagline, which is this one here, how to get loads of free viral traffic to your website. Copy it and then just paste it right here. Now it's asking me for an admin username and admin password. So you can use admin, or I prefer that to use something else, that admin, because admin is not very secure. And then you provide also a strong password here. After the password, you need to provide an email address, and remember in the last video we created this email address here, so I'm just going to use it, and then choose the language of your website, in this case English. And I like also to tick this one here, Lightspeed Cache is a very good plugin to speed up your future website. So I don't do anything else, so I just provide these information here. I'm going to change this, of course. This is not very secure, 1 2 3 until 9. You need to give a strong password, and then you go all the way down. You don't have to choose any of these themes. We will install a special theme in the future videos, and then you just click on the install button here. And here is exactly the screen that you get. After 2-3 seconds, it says congratulations, the software was installed properly. This is the address of the front end of your website, and this is the address to your admin panel here. So let's go ahead and check the front page. So this is exactly what we see when we install a brand new WordPress website. So it works. This is my title, this is my tagline. We are going to see in the future videos how to go from this to this, where you can monetize your website, where you can build your email list, but this is coming in the future videos on this free training series. Now, if I want to go to the back end of my website in order to do modifications, this is the link. So it's your domain name /wp-admin. So if I right click and open it on a new tab, I will be already logged in and I can make changes here. Now let's go ahead and install the SSL certificate for the domain name. So you need to go to security here, and then you need to add SSL certificate for the domain. You select the service, and then you select the domain name that you want to install the certificate for, and in this case it's called viraltrafficsnowball.net, this one here. So, and then you click continue. Now you choose the free one here. It says let's encrypt SSL. Select let's encrypt, and now this is the domain name and this is the certificate. Confirm and create. It will take a few seconds to do it, as you can see here, step 2 of 8. Let me wait for it and then come back in a second. So it took about 15 seconds to install, and now it says that the SSL certificate has been installed correctly on this domain name. Alright, so now the website now is secure, and you can see the lock here for the SSL. So the SSL is working perfectly on the website. In this part of this training, I'm going to be showing you my best WordPress theme for affiliate marketing. This is a 100% free theme, but it is very fast and responsive as well. It has 2 main columns, one for the content and the blog posts and all the pages, your content, and the other one is a sidebar for particular things like opt-in forms and other advertising options. It has a horizontal menu on the top here where you can put your pages or your categories, and it has a logo at the very top. Now let's check how responsive is this theme, and for that you can head to this website responsivedesignchecker.com, and then you put the URL of the website. I'm going to use the one that I'm using for the training, so I'm going to press OK, and it shows me how it looks like on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. So this is desktop. I can change the size of the screen as well, so you can see how it looks like on different sizes of computers or screen computers. And then if you click on tablet here also, you will see how it looks like on different tablets. This is one, for example, and you can see that it is readable, clean, and very responsive. Same thing happens if I go to the mobile section, and let's use, for example, an iPhone 7, and this is how it looks like on an iPhone 7. So the menu is clear, and you can go, for example, to different pages to check. This is the blog page, how it looks like, and if I open any blog post, I will see how it will look like on a mobile device or smartphone. So it's readable as well, and everything, the links are clickable, everything is good. Now let's go ahead and download this free WordPress theme for our website, and you need to head to this website here called templatepocket.com. templatepocket.com, and this is exactly actually the template itself, but you need to go to this page here where it says themes, and then they put 2 themes here. One is called Amphibious and the other one is Pocket, and to be honest with you, I didn't see any difference between them, but I'm just going to use the Pocket one, and then if you'd like to see a demo you can click here, but if you would like to download the theme, you click here. So once you click on this button, you resolve this CAPTCHA, click on this button, and you will download the theme to your computer. And I already did that, and this is exactly what you will get when you download the theme. Now let's go ahead and install the theme on the website that we are using on this training series, and if you remember from last video, it was viraltrafficsnowball.net, and this is like the default template for WordPress. And here is the admin panel. So you go to appearance, and then you click on themes, and after that you click on add new, and you click on this one here that says upload theme, and then use this button to browse to your computer, find the right folder where you kept that theme, and then you just click on it and open. So Now we selected the theme and we're going to install it. So click on install now and wait a little bit for it to be installed, and then we need to activate the theme. So once it's activated, we are going to check it on the front end and we are going to refresh, and here is exactly what you will see. In the next part now we are going to customize the theme to make it look like this one here. So before we start customizing the theme for the website, I just wanted to let you know that I prepared some graphics, like the logo for example. I made this one and this one, but I will be using this one, and I might make a video on this training series on how I make my graphics completely for free. So you might want to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's go ahead and customize this theme. We want to head to appearance and then click customize. Now we know that the Pocket theme is installed and active. We want to customize it by going here, and the first thing we want to do is check the theme options. So if you click here, you will see the general theme options. So the read more button that will take people to the details of a blog post, you want it to be read more or something else, you can change that. And this is the number of characters in the description of each blog post, you can change that as well. And now the layout option, the boxes here for the blog posts, if they can be wide or just boxes. I don't really see the difference, but this is when you click on your blog page and you see all the blog posts below each other. And now this is the sidebar, if you want it to be on the right or on the left. I mean, most people put it on the right hand side, so let's keep it like this. And then let's go back. These two options here are to show or hide a few details about the blog post, so I just keep them by default, but you can play around with these if you want to, for example, display the date, display the categories. It's up to you. And then this is the footer. So the footer of the website is, let me show you the footer here. If I go all the way down, I have this copyright and I have this large banner. I'm going to show you where I did add this exactly. I want to go to the same place. This is actually the website that I'm using for the training, and this is the real website here. But I'm going to copy information from the training website to the real website. So I'm going to go customize and then theme options, and as you can see here, I'm going to footer options and I have this code here, Control C, and then I'm gonna head back to my new website and then I will put here Control V. So if I publish now and I want to go and check the footer, I will see that same banner, but you can put anything that you want here. So I have that banner in the footer now. Alright, so let's go back. Now these are the theme options. Now I go to site identity, and here is where I add my logo, and I decide if I want to display the text title and the text tagline or not. I'm not going to display them. I'm going to use only the logo. So click here to select the logo and then browse to the folder where you put your graphics, and I have them right here. So my logo is this one here. It has a size of 500 pixels on 60 pixels. So now it's going to be uploaded, and then I make sure I select everything and then crop image, and now it has been added. If I publish now, my website will have this logo here. Let's refresh the front end and see the difference. So here's the difference. Now my website is saying showing this graphic here instead of the text. Now let's go to the next option, which is the colors. You can customize a few colors, and you can customize actually the background color, the gray that you can see here. You can change it by clicking here, take in another color, As you can see here, if you move around, the color of the background is changing, and you put the one that you like the most. So this is exactly how it works, but I'm not going to mess with this. I'm just going to keep the default color as it is published. So, and then header image, background image, menus, etc. I'm not going to work with these here on this page. I'm going to go back to my WordPress admin panel, and I'm going this time to take care of the widgets that are on the sidebar. So go to appearance and then click widgets, and here is exactly what you have right now. If you go to the front end, you'll see that the search is the first one, recent posts is the second one, and here is exactly the search, and here is the recent posts. But I want to actually do something that looks like this. I have here this box here that is to build my email list. I have an advertising here, another one. I have some ads from Leads Leap, and that's for monetization. I have also this ad here, and I have the affiliate disclaimer that I always put on the right hand side of the website. I will show you on a future video on this training series how I made this banner for the lead magnet, and also how I inserted this web form for my autoresponder to collect email addresses. And I will show you also what are these advertisings here and how you can insert them here. But right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get the information from the old website that I was preparing for this training and put them on the brand new website that is right here. So I will delete them all and then start from scratch on the sidebar of the new website. So every time you click on the arrow and then you click delete, and now everything is gone. Let me grab one text box and drag it and drop it here. Now the content of this box, I'm going to bring it from the old website for the one I'm using for the training, but after I will show you exactly what it is. Let me go to the training website, click here, and then click on text here to get the source code, and then Control A to select everything, Control C to copy, get back to the brand new website, click on text, and then click on Control V to paste, and then save. So if I click now on visual, I have the banner, and this symbol here is for the opt-in form. So if I refresh my front end page or my home page, I will see that right here, and I'm going to continue with this sidebar here. So let me go back to my training website and go to the second box, which is this one here. Always click on text and then Control A, Control C to select everything and copy it. Get back to the new website. I'm going to grab another box and drag it and drop it just below the other one, and then click text and then Control V and then save. And I'm going to refresh to see what happened on the front end, and I will see a brand new banner here. Now I have this Leads Leap banner that advertises Leads Leap. I'm going to take it from the training website here and then put it on the other one, and as you can see, it has been added following the same process. And right now I'm going to show you how you can add this widget here to monetize your affiliate marketing website using this pay-per-click from Leads Leap itself. So you head to Leads Leap, and if you don't have an account, there is a link in the description below. You can register a free account and use the pay-per-click to monetize your website. And you need to head actually to this section here where it says money, and then you click on get PPC widget code, and then it will let you design your widget yourself. So what I want to do is give it a fixed width, which is 300 pixels, because my sidebar is like 300 pixels wide, and this is the number of ads that you want. Let's say, for example, I want 4 ads. So what I want to do as well is change the color of the titles here. I want to put it like dark blue like this, and then I click on get code. Now this is the code I want to copy and take to my back end of my website. This is my website, so I want it to be underneath this one here. So what I want to do is grab a text widget and put it just below the last one. Let me click done, and this is the new one. So I click on text here and paste the code I got from Leads Leap, and then if I click on visual, I will see only these symbols. But if I save and then refresh my website, I will see that the ads are right here, and if anyone clicks on these ads here, you will make money on Leads Leap. This is another ad for a classified submission, so I'm going to take it from here to the new website. So all I have to do is it's this one here. So I go to the text, so I can copy the source code, Control A, Control C, and then I go to my brand new website, and then I grab another text widget. So let me click done, and then grab this text widget and put it here. After that, I have to paste the code here, Control V, and then save. So let me check on visual. This is what it looks like, and now I'm going to refresh the front end and see what happened. Here is the other ad. I might give it a title here, so let me grab the title, which was your classified ad on thousands of websites. So click Control C and then get back here and put the title here, and then save. And let's go back and refresh to see if I have my title, and yes, right here, the title is right here. So you can see now that your sidebar is looking great, and we will have some content, of course, on the left hand side later. We will have our menu here, etc. But make sure you watch the entire training series to get the most of it. And as you can see here, I have an affiliate disclaimer that I want to put on the sidebar as well. This is very important. So what I want to do actually is just copy this text here, copy, and then go to the new website, bring a brand new box on the sidebar, and then just paste that text. After that, I grab the title, which is affiliate disclaimer, Control C, and then get back here, Control V, and let me save it, and then I will be back on the front end and refresh the page to see it appearing right here. So here is the brand new website, viraltrafficsnowball.net. I have my logo. I will be making a menu here. My sidebar is good, and then I'm missing the content here. Welcome back to this training series. Amar here, and in this part of the series I'll be showing you my best free must-have WordPress plugins for affiliate marketing websites. So before I dive into this, please support this tutorial with a like or a comment. It will be very appreciated, and please don't hesitate to check the other parts of this training and all the resources in the description below this video. So here is what our affiliate marketing website looks like so far, and the plugins we are installing today are very important for our affiliate marketing activities. The first plugin is to secure the website, and it is called WordPress. And to install this plugin, I head to my admin panel, viraltrafficsnowball.net/wp-admin, and then I go to the menu plugins and click add new. And then I'm going to search for it. I type here WordPress, and it will search for it and bring it on the first position here. And as you can see, it has more than 4 million active installations. And then I click install and then activate. Now it's installing the plugin. It's actually a great plugin for security, and activate it right now. I mean, just the fact to install and activate this plugin takes away lots of risks. And then you can of course enter the plugin and customize it, but we are not going to do it right now. Our website is already secure. And then there is this question here: do you want WordPress to stay up to date automatically? Yes, I want it to do the auto update so it stays up to date all the way in time. The next WordPress plugin for my affiliate website is called Classic Editor. As you can see here, this is what I use to edit my pages and blog posts. I don't want to use like fancy or very sophisticated editors like Elementor and others, because this website is based on simplicity, and this is why I choose this plugin. So let me head to my brand new website, and then I want to go to plugins and then add a new here, and then I will search for Classic Editor. So Classic Editor, and then on the search bar I type this Classic Editor and it will show up on the first position here, and I want to click install and then activate. Alright, great. What I want to add to this plugin is another like add-on to be able to add more buttons and more options to that editor, and I will search for a plugin called Advanced Tools for that Classic Editor. So, and then I will see it right here, Advanced Editor Tools, previously Tiny MCE. So I will install it and then activate it, and then I will show you how to add few buttons to your Classic Editor to make it richer. So once installed, you head to Settings at the left hand side and you click on Advanced Editor Tools here, and then it will show you the block editor and the Classic Editor. So I want to go to Classic Editor, and these are the buttons that are already on the editor, and these are the buttons that are unused and that you can add here. For example, I want to add this justify because I want to make my pages and blog posts like justify alignment. I can add this one here for a source code. If I want to add a source code on my pages or my blog posts, I want to insert videos sometimes, so I'm going to grab this button here and put it right here. So every time I drag and drop something from this part to this part, it will be added to my Classic Editor. Let's say, for example, background color of a text. I sometimes need to highlight some titles or something. So you can add anything that you want to add from here to your Classic Editor, but I'm good with this. So I'm just going to save the changes, and then yeah, it's done with the editor now. And if I want to test it, let's open a sample page on this brand new website. If I click on all pages, I have this sample page here. Click on edit, and you will see that I have now my Classic Editor here, and I can use all these options. If I want to make something bold, I just click on this. If I want to put a background color for this part of the text, for example, remember I added this button here earlier, and let's put it like yellow, like this. If I want to insert a video, for example, on this page, I click on this video icon here, and then the source will be from YouTube. So I'm just taking any video and then click OK, and here is the video added. These are simple buttons that I need to edit my posts and pages. The next WordPress plugin that I want to install on my brand new affiliate marketing website is Yoast SEO, and this plugin here actually will allow me to optimize my blog posts and pages for the search engines, so they will be indexed fast and distributed in the search results. So it will help me do the on-page SEO, but later I will need also to do some off-page SEO, and this is to get a maximum of traffic from the search engine. So just go to add a new and then type Yoast SEO. or just Yoast, and you will see it on the results here. This is exactly the plugin I'm talking about, and it has more than 5 million active installations. Click on install, and in a few seconds we will click activate to make it active. And right now the plugin should be active. You don't have to like configure anything. Let's just take a look at what it does. If I go, for example, for the pages and then click all pages, and after that I check the previous page that I used as an example, and the new thing here is that you can see already here that readability is green, but SEO is not green yet. But if you go at the bottom of the page, you can see this Yoast SEO block here, where you can provide valuable information for SEO, like the focus key phrase, the description, etc., until you see everything green, readability and SEO green. Now you know that your blog post or your page is optimized for the search engine. And later in this training series, I will show you how to optimize a blog post from start to finish to see everything green here, so that you know that the search engines will love your page and put it in front of people to get targeted traffic. The next WordPress plugin will be the contact form to allow our visitors to contact us, and this plugin will allow me to make a form like this, like a name, email, subject, message, and submit. I will receive the messages from my visitors on this page here. So in order for me to create this form here, I need a plugin called Contact Form 7. So I'm going to my brand new website, go to plugins and add new, and then I will search for Contact Form 7. So Control V, this is what I'm searching for, and I can see it right here, more than 5 million active installations. Install, and then activate in a second, and now I have it done. Once it's activated, you just click on here on settings here, and you will take a look at its page. Now this is a regular or standard contact form that is already created for us. So what I want to do is take this share code here and put it on the page or on the blog post where I want the form to appear. So I just copy this short code here, go back to our pages. I will use the sample page as an example. So let me open that sample page to edit it, and after that let's get rid of everything here, because this page actually will be deleted later. I don't need it. And then all I have to do is Control V to paste that form. I'm supposed to see the form below the video. Let me update, and then I will get back to my front end. This is the website we're working on, so viraltrafficsnowball.net, and I want to click on this page here, sample page, and I want to see what happened below the video. And as you can see here, I have the name, the email, the subject, and the message, and the submit button. You might need to put a picture or write something before the form, like here for example I'm saying, thank you for taking the time to contact me. If you have comments, questions, or just need to get in touch with me, fill out the form below. I will reply in 24-48 business hours. So you might to put a message like this before the form. Now the next WordPress plugin that I want to install actually is called Pretty Links, and this one is used to cloak our affiliate links. So let's search for Pretty Links, And then this is the one, so I'm just going to install it. It has more than 300,000 active installations. This one is good when you promote affiliate products from affiliate networks. You don't want to show the affiliate link that is given to you by those networks. You want to cloak it and make it beautiful and easy to click. So I just installed this plugin and I'm going to activate it. Alright, now it has been activated. And now to use the plugin, you can see here at the left hand side that you have now this menu here, pretty links, and you want to add new, because now we want to make an affiliate link shorter and beautiful. So add new, and then you will see this. So you need to give a name for your link. Let me call it Vidali. Look, you will see why I called it Vidali, because I'm going actually to ClickBank and grab an affiliate link, and I want to promote, for example, this product here, which is called Vidali, to rank on page 1 in Google. So to get the affiliate link for this product, I want to click on promote, put my ClickBank username, get hop links, and this is my affiliate link. As you can see, it's not a beautiful link, it's not like trustworthy. I want to copy it and then get back to my website, to the pretty links, and then I want to paste that link right here. Now what I want to do is make it permanent, 301, and then I want to give a short name or short word here after my domain name, viraltrafficsnowball.net/Vidali. So let me make it Vidali like this. So your new link will be viraltrafficsnowball.net/Vidali. This is the same link as this one, so you prefer to actually promote this link rather than this one. So click on update, and now you have a brand new pretty link to advertise this program here. In order for you to grab that link, all you have to do is click on pretty link here, and it will open on a new website, on a new page actually. So if you want to copy it, you right click and then click on copy link address like this, and now you have the let me use it here. So paste, and this is the link that you have, viraltrafficsnowball.net/Vidali. If I click on enter, this is what I will have. I will
Let me ask you this. Do you have
link? So every time you have a new affiliate link from a new product or a new company, you come here and then you click add a new, you put the original affiliate link, give it a name, and you give it a short word after your domain name, and then you will be with a beautiful affiliate link that you can promote easily. The next plugin will be a plugin that will allow you to add headers and footers in a practical way. So multiple platforms will ask you to insert a part of a code in the header part or the footer part of your website, and in order to do that easily, we're going to install this plugin, and this plugin is called Insert Headers and Footers. So plugins, add a new, I will paste here insert headers and footers, and you will see it here at the first place, and it has more than 1 million active installations. Click on install and then activate, and anytime you are asked to add a code to your header especially, you will just go ahead to this plugin and add them. Once it's installed, you head to settings, and then you will see here insert headers and footers. You click on it, and then you will have one section to add codes to the header section, the body, and the footer section. So like for example, Google Analytics will give you a code to insert in the header. You put it here and your website will be connected to your Google Analytics. The next WordPress plugin will allow us actually to remove a title on a page or on a post. For example, if I take this page, this is how it looks like from the front end. But if I want to get rid of the title and get the content right away or to start the page, I can do that using this specific plugin. And what I want you to do to install it is just head to plugins and then add a new and type title remover on the search bar. Title remover. Alright, title remover, and then you pick this one here with the red arrow going back. So title remover, and I already installed it and activated it. What happens when you do that is that when you go to edit a page or a post, let's take the sample page here, edit it, you will see something new on the right hand sidebar, and it says hide title. So if I tick this and then update, and then I will go back to my front end page here and refresh it, I'm supposed to see this one here disappearing. So let's just refresh it, and here is what it looks like now without a title. So this is practical in certain situations. The last plugin that I will install in this tutorial is the one that will give us these buttons here at the left hand side of the website. And this one here allows people to share and like your website, and then of course give you viral traffic to your website if your content is worth it and it's good enough. So people will share it, and those other people will share it again, which will make it go viral. And also there are buttons at the bottom of the pages and the posts, as you can see here at the very bottom. After the monetization, people can share or like your content. And this plugin is called Simple Social Buttons. So add a new on the plugins page, and then I'm searching for this phrase here, Simple Social Buttons. After the search, you will see it appearing right here. So you can click on install and then activate. That's activated now, and then I will take you to the section where you can customize these buttons here. So to customize the plugin, you will see it appearing here on the left hand side. It says the social buttons, and when you click here you have this window here. So first of all, it says which are the buttons that are active and those that are inactive, and all you have to do is drag and drop the buttons that you want to add, like for example this WhatsApp and this for Reddit. So all these buttons here now are active, and then you want to choose the style of the buttons or the design of the buttons, 1, 2, 3. So I take this one here where the buttons are small. You can also choose any of these if you like them. Now the position, I want to put them in line, underneath the content, and also on the sidebar. Like you saw, the sidebar will be on the left hand side and no animation. You can just you can show them on the home page, on the posts, on the pages, on the attachments. You go through all these settings and then just save the changes. Now if I go to the front end and then refresh the page, I might see my buttons appearing. So let me refresh, and then I will go, yeah, the buttons are here on the sidebar. So these were 8 WordPress plugins that I like to install on my affiliate marketing websites. And thank you very much for making it so far, watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and or drop a comment, and I will see you on the next part of this training series. Welcome back to this free training series about building an affiliate marketing website. Ammar here, and in today's part of the training I'll be showing you how you can publish quality content on your affiliate marketing website using this simple strategy: quality PLR, paraphraser, and on-page SEO. But before that, let me just show you the website and what I've been doing in the last few days. So here is what the website looks like right now, and as I mentioned in the previous parts of the training, before I even start building the website, I prepared lots of things like the domain name, the main keywords, the logo, the categories, the pages. So I went ahead and created some pages and some posts, and like this is what I have: affiliate tools, viral traffic plugin, free downloads, write for us. This is for bloggers who want to do guest posting with us, contact us, privacy and terms of use. So all these here are pages, and if I go to the back end, these here are the blog posts that I already published. And I want to show you here one thing that is very important, which is about the Yoast SEO plugin. It's showing me green here, green, green. All these posts here are optimized, fully optimized to the search engines, and they will be indexed very fast, and they will be distributed on the search results. So always, and I will show you in today's video how to post a blog post and optimize it for the search engines. So if we take any example from these, and then I click on the edit button here, so to see exactly what I did with that plugin, the first thing you can see that readability is good and SEO is good. But if I go all the way down to see the Yoast SEO blog, I will show you a few things here just to understand what I'm talking about. So this is the key phrase or the keyword that I want to be ranked for, and I need to have it on the description, and I need to satisfy all these conditions here. I have an outbound link, I have an internal link to my website, key phrase in introduction, key phrase length, key phrase density, etc. So I went through all these and optimized the blog post here to have everything green. I still have one thing here that is not green, but I will take care of it later. I just wanted to show you how you do the on-page SEO, and this is very important if you want to rank your blog posts. So three things are involved in this strategy: the quality PLR and the paraphraser, which is a tool that will allow you to change the wording of your paragraphs or your phrases without affecting the whole meaning of the paragraph or the site. It's very powerful, actually. You will see it in a second. And the third thing is the SEO or the Yoast SEO plugin that you just saw with me on the back end. So I'm just going to show you these two parts here, and then we will go ahead and post or publish our blog post. So to be honest with you, to get quality PLR products and articles and content in general, I have two websites that I use a lot. This is one of them, ID PLR, and the second one is this one, PLR Me. These are my favorite websites for the PLR content, and if you want to check them out, I leave links in the description below this video for all these resources. The second tool to paraphrase is this one here, is called Killbot, and this is a very powerful tool. Let me just give you an example how to use it, and you can check it out anytime you want. The link in the description below. Let's take this small paragraph here, copy it, Control C, and then I will come here, and then it says here paste the text. So I'm just going to paste my text and then click here on paraphrase. It will take a few seconds. It's working on the wording, and as you can see here in the beginning, you can see affiliate marketing is good choice for many, and here it says many people choose affiliate marketing as a way to earn money without having to leave the house, etc. What I want to say here is that since this is PLR content, you own it. It's like your own content. But there are lots of people out there that they have the same content. So what you want to do to have your content become unique is use this tool here, and then check it out once it's done, and then publish it on your website. So you can do this for free. I mean, there is a limit of the number of words, but you can do it multiple times for the same article. The link for this tool here is in the description below, and let's go ahead now and publish our blog post. So here we are on the admin panel of the website on the posts section, and I want to create a brand new post. Of course, you can publish videos or any other kind of content. You can write it yourself or bring it or outsource it from somebody else, but I'm using this method here because it's a little bit fast and it takes less effort than the other methods. So I already have an article which is ready, coming from PLR content. It's talking about the how to promote affiliate offers, and there are like 5 ways to promote affiliate offers here. So I'm going to use all these 5 paragraphs and I will add to them 5 graphics on the post. So let me select everything and then make Ctrl+C to copy it, and then I want to go here, add a new post. I click here, add new post, and then I will come to this section here, and then I paste what I copied. So my article is here. What I like to do first thing is select everything and make it justify, and then I want to take this guy here and put it as a title right here. So this is the title of my blog post, and it is in the same time my focus keyword. So I want to put it here in the tags first, and then add. I want to choose a category. So these are methods, they are not offers. These are resources or tips and tricks. Okay, so I'll put it on these 2 categories here. Now I want to go all the way down to the Yoast SEO block, and I want to paste that title here on the focus key phrase. Now this is the slug, this is the last part of the URL, and this is where I want to put the meta description. So the meta description is very important, and it has to contain the focus key phrase. So what I do usually is I grab a part of the first paragraph, I grab a part and copy it, and then take it and put it on the description, but I need to respect the length of that description. So I will put 2 dots here and then Ctrl+V. It looks like it's longer than normal. I want to start removing characters until it becomes green. And then what I do when it becomes green, I add 3 dots, because this is exactly what will appear in the search engines. So you have the title and you have the description. So this part of the description will appear on the search results of Google. So now I have the length of the title is good, the length of the description is good, and I want to check what I am missing. So I click here and I have all these indicators here. So image alt attributes, I will start with this one. So I will add a few images, and on some of those images I want to put the alt tag. I want to put the title or the key phrase here on the tag, I mean the alt tag. So what I want to do, I'm going to grab few images, or 5 of them if you want, from my directory here, where I have a few pictures, that a few graphics that I can use, and I will of course go to the post like this, and then I want to put a graphic just after this title here. So I put my cursor here and click add media, and then I might have a few. Yeah, I have a few here, so I'm just going to insert it like this, and then I click on this pencil here, and where it says alternative text, I need to put the key phrase that I am targeting. So I just went ahead and added the 5 graphics I told you about, and every time I try to put a variation of the keyword on the alt tag of the picture, and now it looks like I have lots of things in green. What I don't have is an internal link to this website and an outbound link. So I'm going to find places on this article here, and I will link to one of my pages on this website, and I will link to another website as well to have them all green here. So I just added two links. This one goes to the GetResponse website. It's an affiliate link, and I added also this link here, which is internal. I linked this to an article about traffic from social media, this article here. So I took the link from this article and I added it here as a hyperlink to that article. So this is an internal link, and this is very good for SEO actually and link building. So now the on page SEO is saying 100% optimized for the search engines. I have all these conditions here satisfied. Now the readability is red because I have a few things to fix. Subheading distribution, I don't have a good distribution of subheading, and sentence length. So if you want to see exactly what does that mean, you click on this eye here and you will see exactly where are the sentences that are very long, and you can work on them to make them shorter. And the other thing is the subheading. Subheading is like I don't have lots of subheading. I have this title from second level. This is an H2, as you can see here. And if I go to this one, this is a paragraph. This is not even a header. So I'm going to put it H3, and also the other ones will be H3 as well. So I just went ahead and made them all of them H3, and as you can see now I don't have that error again. So I can just go ahead and play a little bit with the sentences length, and then I will click on publish. So let's go ahead and see how the blog post will look like from the outside. Now I'm going to right click on this link here and open in a new tab, and here is the blog post that we just published. It's nice and clean, and it is, as you can see here, the green here means that it's optimized for the search engines. Alright, so other videos are on the way regarding growing an affiliate marketing website. I'm still working on it, and multiple other videos will be released in the future days. Thank you very much for making it so far and watching this training series. Please don't hesitate to find the links to the other parts in the description below, all the resources as well. Please don't hesitate to like the video and drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next part of the training. Cheers.